Hey guys, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to explore the world by train? Or to go out and just see something different from a different point of view? Well, that's what I was thinking one day. And I thought, how hard would it be to build a train? Well, little did I know that it took a lot more than what I had in my shop originally.
So, you guys ready to rock?
Oh my goodness.
We haven't started this motor ever. First time right here, putting the nose go on it. The last one blew up in like 3 minutes, man. Wasn't good. Delay for a long time. Pride notched down because of some Japanese stuff. But I brought the hair today. We're gonna rock.
Then it was racetrack time.
Oh yeah, and then we built the racetrack.
Excuse me, it's a dirt track. That is not a racetrack. That is a dirt track.
It's a trail.
Yeah, dirt trail. It's a firewood trail.
It's a well-driven trail.
It's walking road.
Firewood trail.
Yeah, it's a walking trail that's been.
Where I started. Let the noodles wet. Yeah. See? Oil covered in it, fresh.
All right, just double checking.
The Earl is in.
It's full of Earl.
Just double checking.
Just saying. It's ready.
Oh dang, this engine doesn't come with this.
All right, now don't pull that thing out of there, okay?
Oh yeah.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Screw the goddamn guy.
It won't go. Hey. There we go.
All
All
right,
right, make sure nothing's gonna fly and hit it.
move everything. Hold on.
Welcome back to episode 9. So this is supposed to be the beginning of our motor break-in. It's a 20-minute period. But, needless to say, this is my show. Nothing ever goes right.
Taking oil out of the header already. Only been running about a minute.
Oh, pick me. That's not good.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Oh,
Are you okay?
this train is tough. Dude, did you know metal hurts?
I'm sorry.
Ow! I'm glad I got this hair going because it like patted my skull a little bit when it went bing. Did you hear it ringing or is it just in my head?
We were.
Is it ringing in my head still? Sounded like that bell went off up there.
Sorry, we're laughing with you.
It's enough.
Well,
If I huff any more of that, I'll hit my head again. Dude, you poured it everywhere.
maybe there's a little carburetor starting fluid.
No one finders.
What are you guys doing?
Anybody see it on? Okay, gas is on.
The on
Choke.
TV's over there.
Choke it. There it goes. Just snapped the master link and shot it off. Alright guys, you know the drill. We don't got the tools, so came over to Thompson Bees. Oh, I'm all dirty. And they helped us out again. They've got all this 1-inch piping down here and 1.5-inch piping. So we've picked out a chunk right here. This big black mamba. And they're going to go ahead and start hacking it up for us into a few chunks. So thinking 12 or 14-inch pieces, probably 12. And we'll do 4 of them. Got these brilliant guys working on it around here.
Socket.
Yeah. Did you see I cupped that when he... he says like this, socket? You're like, did you need this socket?
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas.
I know. You're thinking, what are you doing? Well, we're going to go ahead and attach that. Got the 2 houses on there because they're keeping that pipe just 100% true, or at least as true as it gets in this shop. So the idea is I'm going to cut these rubbers off. And we're going to use these wheels, these steel wheels, as our train wheels. I've seen other people use them, like Preston Go and that Matt Spears. They use these on their train. We did get the part A and B polyurethane, and I'm not sure what we're going to do with them yet, but I'm pretty sure we're going to try and taper these and put conical wheels on them. So let's get the axles welded to them. Those will go sliding right over top of these ones, kind of like this. See how that slips right on there? And we'll have a wheel welded to this. We'll slip it over our drive axle. We'll drill a hole. We'll pin it at the right length we need to meet the track. And away we go. So problem solved. Just need to do about an hour's worth of welding. So, ready, set, go. All right, it's a pretty good weld. Nice and thick all the way around. Not bad. It's oozing out the end. All right, let's see how it fits. Kind of like that one.
All right, guys, just a big, beautiful shout out to our buddy Stig. He helped us out with some tools to update the shop. So we actually have a TIG welder now, so we can do some of the big welds we need to do. We've got a chop saw, and we also have a bandsaw for cutting the pipes. So wonderful upgrades. And he hooked us up with a tire changing machine. Like, what? Who does that kind of stuff? But now we have everything we need to get this train build underway. So let's get it done, get it ripping, get it cut. Let's go.
All right, folks, we're out here measuring the railroad. So it appears it is 56.5 to the center of the tracks and 61.5 to the outside of the tracks. So hard to do with one person here, but 56 and a half, 61 and a half. So that's the numbers we're shooting. Shout out to our big fan Stig out there that hooked this up. By the way, we've got these new hydraulic jacks underneath. They're called a quick jack. We got these from our buddy Stig here in town. Just gonna call him Stig till we come up with a better name. And he also loaned us a really nice 220 Lincoln electric welder. So it's got about 100 foot of lead on that, and we've been burning in some pretty heavy welds. We were able to get the axles done. He also hooked us up with a bandsaw and a chop saw in the back there. So we got some pretty good upgrades in the shop. Look at that. And also, they hooked us up with an old tire changing machine, but it works really good. It's like hydraulic and electric, so 2 in 1. But now we can change our tires ourselves here at the shop, which is really cool. So shout out to Stig, thank you so much. But I was just measuring this, kind of hard to do just by myself with you guys. But the rear end of this is exactly 60 inches. We need 61 and a half to the outside of the rim. So that's gonna be basically 1.5 inches outside here. We're gonna need this lip sticking out. And then the train will ride right on that. So we're gonna do that to both sides. We're gonna get that hooked in. We're gonna get this hooked in temporarily. To do that, we're gonna have to remove a bit of the frame and a bit of this. Slide this back in there. And then we'll have to do a little bit of structural work to make sure that this is still strong around the wheel. But you know how it goes. Let's just get to it. Ain't nothing left but to do it, right? So, and we'll also be addressing some stuff down here, kind of strengthening this up, adding a bracket here. But let's get going. Alright. That looks like it'll fit a wheel. Okay. Cool. Next problem. To get this where we want it, inside here, I need to remove some of this shaft here. It's too long. And gotta shorten that shaft about 5 inches. So we're gonna be removing some. Risky situation, but we gotta do it. So We're gonna cut 5 inches off of here, and then this should be in the right spot then. Woo! Wow, that's solid axle right there. Maybe we could use that for a piece of jack shaft up here on our setup for our chain. We'll see. Well, there it is. It's not looking too bad. We do have to put our polyurethane on here still, but not too far off. I do have a little wobble there. Hopefully the other one's a little better than that. But a little wobble may not derail us. Guess we're gonna find out on the scope of things. We'll see. Maybe once it's all welded up, it'll kind of true up in there. There's a little bit of a wobble in there. So, we'll see. Well, that's what we're talking about. Upgrade. Hi, Mom. Look what I cut.
Nice.
It's a pretty good chunk. Done.
Cut.
This is Skylar Ray's first attempt at stick welding.
Once you got it glowing like that, you gotta go. Wiggle and pull. Just start moving slow with it. You got it, Skylar. Just arc it. Just gonna stick it, flick it like a match. Remember them old wood matches? There you go. Once you got it glowing, you just start moving it real slow and stay up on it. You had it. Pull loose. You got to just kind of float right over top of it. And you want to be pulling away from yourself, so start down at this end and pull back away. Or if you're going to start like that, you need to start at that end and pull back away. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta do like the other side. I'm gonna take 5 inches off of this shaft and then refit that. So, been working on this for a while now. Got quite a bit of that cut out of the center there. Got some more reinforcing done here. Got all of that lower end stuff put together, which is pretty nice. We do have our train wheels kind of set in right now. They're not done. We do need to still do our part A and B epoxy mix. And then we're going to have to put them on a lathe, I think. But for the most part, we've got the mechanical side of it done. I mean, it is up and working, which is good. Kind of slowly beautifying the train as we go back, adding some more bracing. But essentially, the train is getting closer to completion, which is a good thing. I mean, choo-choo!
The next episode's going to be about frickin' putting this train on the tracks, I hope. I know it's going to take a bit more work, but I think we can go ahead and test this thing out and see if it actually moves under its own power this coming week. Now, that's a long shot, but don't quote me to it. I'm going to do my best just to do it. Let's get this train out there and chugging. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.